Hi there, students. Tract. A tract. Tracts. Okay, I think the first meaning for a tract is a large area. Very often a large area of land. So he owns vast tracts of land in the north of Scotland. Enormous tracts of the Amazon jungle have been cleared for farming. There are tracts of unexplored sea to the north of here. Okay, so a tract of land. He bought a tract of land for development. And then you can also use this metaphorically to mean areas, or sectors. So there are certain tracts of society that have no access to fresh water in the third world. Okay, a tract, a tract of people, a group of people. There are tracts of British industry that are old-fashioned and need to be renewed. So large amounts, large sectors, large areas. We can also use the word a tract to talk about a piece of writing, particularly a religious or a political piece of writing that's trying to influence people's opinions. So a socialist tract about what should be done to make our society more equal. A religious tract about the evils of alcohol, for example. A moral tract telling people what to do. Okay, so a piece of writing, particularly something that's meant to influence people. And then finally, a tract, a system of tubes within the body, within your body. So you've got your digestive tract, it's the tubes and the organs. So your digestive tract, it's like a track. It goes into your mouth, down into your stomach, and then from there it goes down other tubes. This is the tract. Your respiratory tract, the urinary tract, okay, the set of organs and tubes that form a particular function within a body. Okay, but I think this word tract is most commonly used as large areas. So, the company bought several tracts of land for building development, and they built various housing estates on these tracts of land. Okay, so a tract, an expanse of land or an expanse of water. And then a tract, a pamphlet or a leaflet, particularly one that's trying to persuade people of something. And then a tract, a system of organs, that go together to do something specific. The alimentary tract, okay, the digestive tract. Okay, so tract, a large area of something. Formality, tract. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. Let's see. A large area of land informally. Tract, use it. Maybe a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or a formal writing. The digestive tract, informally the digestive system. This is more technical, more to do with anatomy. And then a religious tract. This again is rather more formal, semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing. Or even formal. I think probably a tract, as in a written document, is the most formal. And then as to origin, it comes from the Latin tractare, yeah, from the verb traho, to bring or to carry. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tract.